Hi everybody, Jason.Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Thanks for taking the time to check out our website. Today we're going to go over a brand new 2019 Nash 29S by Northwood. So this is one of my favorite trailers if you like going off-road, doing some dry camping. One of the best trailers out there in my opinion. They build a great quality trailer. They're local here in Oregon, so we love going in to visit the factory occasionally, get some training. This is the new design. So we're going to start off on the interior, then we're going to finish off going over the exterior features. So let's start off following me inside. All right, really open floor plan in here. We've got the super slide with the huge U-shaped dinette. Nice couch here. In the back, you've got the large bunks with the ladder already built in. A couple drawers built in below the bunks here. Got that Northwood fit and finish quality here and all the woodwork. It's just beautiful. Really nice corner bathroom. Big area in there. Nice sink, medicine cabinet. Got lots of leg room around the toilet. Nice tub shower. Door. So you can use that as a mud room, which is always nice when you got kids and you're out camping. Nice pantry here. Really good space in those shelves. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. And then they do use the Norcold fridge. It's got the lip up in the freezer in case you've got anything defrosting. And it's just a really nice quality fridge. Closes and opens really easily. You've got the stainless steel package here in the kitchen with the stove and oven, 3-burner. Large oven. Stainless steel microwave and hood. And sink. Good cabinet space up above. Fit and finish again, you can just feel it opening and closing the cabinets and the drawers. They do a real good job. Nice space there. They actually give you room for a garbage can. More drawers. So up front here we've got the TV, and this does swivel into the bedroom. Got space there to add some components if you'd like. Media player over here does DVDs, Bluetooth, all the kind of things you want a media player to do these days. And more room down below. So you could add all kinds of components if you want it. Put DVDs and CDs in here. It's actually, these shelves are adjustable. It's nice. And then space above even. Really give you a lot of room in this trailer. You've got the accordion doors here on both sides for privacy. Mirror on the back side. Again, this is going to swivel. You've got a thermostat right there by your hand too, which is convenient to have it in the bedroom. Got shelves that are removable, so you can use this as hanging space or shelves. It's your choice. 110 outlet and USB. Nice light. And good storage clear across the top here. Also, you've got a fantastic fan in the bedroom. And ducting for your AC as well. Surround sound speakers in the bedroom. Here you've got your controller for your solar panel that's on the roof. You can see it's actually working right now. If there were batteries hooked up, it'd be charging them as it sits, even on a cloudy day like today. All your controls are here in one place, easy to get to. More storage in the kitchen here on the back side. Good place for pots and pans. And then the key rack. We're going to go outside, go over the exterior features, and finish up this video. Follow me. Large grab handle. One thing I like about the Northwoods is they've got actually 10-gallon water heater, where a lot of the other trailers use a 6, so that's a nice feature. This is where your potable water will go. It's behind a locking door, so protects it from anybody fiddling with your water, which is just nice. 110, in case you want to plug anything in outside. This is your furnace exhaust, so it does get hot. Keep that in mind. I wouldn't be touching that. There's some components that come with this trailer, or accessories that attach here. I'll show them to you later on. They're in the front storage bay. It's kind of a cool feature. Back of the fridge here, really no reason to access this unless you're a refrigerator technician and you need to work on your fridge. Got a cool LED porch light up there, really brightens things up. You've got the outside speakers and a large electric awning. Here's your door that will go right into the bathroom. We've got this parked really close here, so we're not going to walk through, but I'll show you. We do have a hitch on this bumper, which is great for if you want to carry a bike rack or anything like that. Got your hot and cold outside shower here. This is your city water fill here, and this is your black tank flush. You've also got a ladder for getting on the roof. So let's walk around to the front and show off some of those features. Okay, check this bay door out. And what I mean is, check out the dimensions on this. It's huge. Nice size opening there. You can get a large cooler in there. You can get chairs. You can get even a small generator in there. It's just got a ton of room. So that rack I was talking about on the side of the trailer, this has accessories that you can get and some that come with it that you can mount in here. Okay, so those accessories that I was talking about that mount onto this exterior feature here, go right here. So there's a basket that you can drop in here, a garbage can. This is just one of the accessories that you can mount onto this bracket right here. You can check that out online and see all the different components that you can add to that. It's a cool feature. In here we do have a light and a battery disconnect as well. Another great feature that you don't find in a lot of trailers, and I do love that they have that. Keeps your battery fresh when you come back from a long hike. Up front, got the large 7.5 gallon tanks, 2 of them. And Guaranty fills the tanks for all RV purchases. This trailer has a slide, so it's going to come with 2 12-volt interstate batteries in a box. It's also got the electric tongue jack. Over on this side we have a place here for Zamp solar to connect here. It does have solar on the roof already, but you can buy more solar panels that you can add in here. Back side of our pass-through storage here. So you can get a good look at this trailer. It's a big one, but if you're looking for a well-built quality bunkhouse, this is one of my first recommendations. I love Northwood and I love the Nash product. So again, if you have any questions on this trailer or any of our other RVs, my name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks a lot for checking out our videos, guys.